Hi, this is Scoggett, and today what I'm doing is I'm doing baked spiced rum Caribbean jerk chicken breast my way. And if you never had this, it's absolutely delicious, easy to make, not hard at all. And I'll have this in three parts. The first part, I'll show you the ingredients and how about going about like adding the marinade, tell you how long to marinate it. And the second part will be the baking of the chicken. And the third and final part will be the plating up of it. So go ahead and show you the ingredients, what you need to make this. Going to need a freezer bag to put the chicken in to let it marinate. But what I've got is I've got 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts here. Today I'm going to be using the KC Masterpiece Caribbean jerk marinade. Going to be also using some pineapple chunks. And I'm going to be putting some bell peppers in it. I got a yellow bell pepper, orange bell pepper, and red one. I looked for aloha peppers, but they were out of them. So, couldn't get none of those. And I'm also got a green bell pepper I'm going to put in it. And I got 1 shot of spiced rum. And the spiced rum, what I'm using is Captain Morgan. Everybody needs to set sail with the captain sometime. He takes you places you've never been, and you'll do stuff you never dreamt you'd do. Just a little humor there. So, without further ado, what I'll do now is I'm going to go ahead and put the chicken breast in here. In the bag. And what I've done is I've went ahead and washed these off, and also patted them dry with paper towels. Get this out of here. Now I'm going to add my Caribbean jerk marinade. If I can get it open, made these childproof. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add most of it, but I'm going to leave some left over because I want to put some on just before the chicken breasts are done. Time to add like a little bit more flavor to it. Pour this down in there, and you know what I forgot to do? Forgot to shake this stuff up. That's what I forgot to do. Come on, Scoggett, let's get with it. Going ahead and just pour that marinade down in there. Like I said, I'm going to leave a little bit. Add my shot of spiced rum here. That's going to make it even better. Close bag. Mix it up real good. Get all that, everything mixed up. some of the air out of it. And this is going to go in the fridge for, I'm going to let it go about 2.5 hours. Anywhere from 2.5 to 3 hours. The longer this stays, the chicken breast stays in the marinade, the better it's going to be. So, it'll be about 2.5 and 3 hours there. But like I say, it's very simple. It's not hard to do at all. And I'll have the second video coming up. I'll show you how to go about baking this. I'll tell you what temperature to bake it at and how long to bake it. This is Scoggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. And y'all take care.